What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The boys just hit me up because we finally got some rain in town. I don't know if you can see that. It's raining. So we're gonna meet up at the shop, throw on some spares, and then go to Mexico to hit some slides. I don't know if it's too dark to film or not, but I'm gonna try to get some clips. So I'll see you guys at the shop. All right, we're just getting to the shop. The boys are not here yet, so I'm gonna hurry up and mount my spares. It's so dark, sorry guys. It's low-key kind of spooky in here when it's dark. You just hear a bunch of little noises. I'm thinking that's haunted in here or something. Oh, check this out. Got the vet in here, we're wrapping it up. Customer car, those of you who don't know, I own a wrap and tent shop in Mesquite, Nevada. So we do a lot of wraps, we do a lot of tent, a lot of fun stuff. So subscribe to the channel too, even if you're not into drifting and you want to see some how-tos on wraps, or I do a lot of shorts right now, but let your boy know if you enjoy the wrap content. It's a little dark in here, but I don't want to turn on all the lights just to mount spares, so we're gonna run it like this. All right, I'm gonna move the vet over here, push the car back, mount my spares. Hopefully by then, Sean, Jesse, Chris are all here, and we can take off to Mexico. So bear with me. Sorry about the footage, but this little thing, you get a little cold start. I'm not gonna rev it because it's a customer's car. That thing reeks. Let's get over here, push this little John back, and get some tires mounted up. All right, the old tires, old wheels are off, new wheels are on. What else? I don't know. That's it, really. I'm gonna let it warm up while they get here. Back this girl out into the rain, and hopefully they're here sooner or later. They said Jesse was going like 25 because his wipers aren't working. So if that's the case, it might be about an hour. We will see. Let her get warmed up, and then we can get out of here if they ever show up. That worries me when it's cold out and then you see the smoke. You're like, does that happen to anyone else? It's not cold here a lot, so anyways, I'll be here twiddling my thumbs, and I'll pick the camera back up when the guys get here. All right, so all the boys went to AutoZone, so I guess I'm going to AutoZone. These tires are slipping like a mother effer. My car is pulling super hard to the right. I don't know. I'm still gonna go slide tonight because we can look at it another day. But I'm gonna get over to AutoZone, and then I'll see you guys later. AutoZone, where the hooligans were.
He's trying to get new bolts.
You got Sean Z, my IS, Jesse's 40, Chris's Ford.
Z looks like it got Ford.
Got the new plates.
It's the backup car with the spare tires.
You brought some?
I brought Jesse's spare because he's running on those from the...
Well, once Jesse's done, you know, we're always waiting on Jesse. Sean knows.
Yep.
Once Jesse's out of here, we can go try to get some little clips.
Get scumbagged into some stupid
I'll pull the camera back out once we figure out what the Jesse's trying to buy.
He melted the plug on his head.
His LED
Oh man,
or the HID.
damn it! Did he buy wipers too though?
Yeah, he got wipers already.
Already installed? Sheesh.
So at least he can see.
How are his tires? He was all worried about them.
Yeah, I got his.
He'll be chilling in the rain.
Yeah.
I got one of his.
I think you can go out on wire in the rain.
Yeah.
Like,
I think
seriously.
it'd be good.
And they're stressing. Look at him.
He's sitting there.
So currently Jesse is his freaking headlight bulb burnt out. And he's got to go to Walmart to get one piece, an AutoZone for the other.
Yeah.
And then we could go slide. But for now, pray for Jesse because it's raining and he just had to get new wipers and now a new bulb. Let's see what he's getting. You find it, buddy? Look all sad and
Look
shit.
at this.
$24?
AutoZone right now, bro. Look at this. $9.
Amazon is $3 for
Dude,
100.
it's probably 80 cents.
1 hour later, Jesse's got one headlight working. Woo! And,
Yeah, we're making
and
progress.
we're soaked.
Why is it only the fucking height?
We just give him shit because he takes his time with a lot of things. He likes to make sure it's done right. Victory at last. Jesse's
It's
got.
only been 4 hours.
It's only been 2.5 hours since we were gonna meet up for a quick sesh, and I'm not going home without sliding. So I don't think he is. All right, no, he's got bolted back in. Good job, Jess.
Get her done like tomato or something.
Sorry, dude.
Here filming, dog.
We're out
It's
here.
fucking
You
cold.
want me to
Oh,
film you?
gotta censor myself. It's cold.
Want me to film your car ripping?
I drift out here so much for like an hour by myself.
Dude, it's just out of town. You're not bothering anybody.
That's what
so
I would.
It should be no problem.
That's what I would hope too. See the roundabout, you just like can't not do it. You went right for it. Dude, that's sick.
How did it sound when I was going around?
Sounded sick, dude.
That shit is sick, dude.
Turn off your headlights up. We're right off the main road.
Oh yeah.
Hey, turn off your headlights.
Alright guys, we just got back to the shop. The GoPro actually died while we were finishing up out there. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, a comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I have another video coming, working on the IS, getting new control arms, new tow rods on it. And then March 2nd, we have another Vegas drift event. It's gonna be Sean's first time at an event ever. He finally got another drift car. And we're pushing him to get out there and go drive. So it'll be me, Sean, Jesse, and then probably a bunch of ride-alongs with the homies. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment, let me know what you liked and what you didn't like. See you guys next time.